Hey there, thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new stitch for you, and it's the sand stitch. And it's a nice, thicker stitch, and there's no right or wrong side, so it's the front and the back what I just showed you. And well, it's got a nice texture to it. And before I'm going to show you how to crochet this sand stitch, I just want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel if you did not already do that, and you can turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel so I can still make videos for you, there are 2 links in the description below where you can donate to help my channel grow. And well, I would be very thankful if you did that. And for now, I'm just gonna show you how to crochet this sand stitch. I've got some yarn, and I've got a crochet hook of 5mm. Hope it's gonna focus. Yeah. And we're gonna make a slip stitch first. And for this stitch you need a multiple of 2 plus 1. So I'm gonna make chains with a multiples of 2. Like this. And then add 1 more chain. Now let's skip the first 2 chains for row 1, and the next one I'm gonna make a double crochet. And that stitch we just skipped, the 2 stitches, one is just a turning chain and the other counts as a single crochet. Now skip 1 stitch. You can see I made my double crochet over here. Skip a stitch, and next one I'm gonna make a single crochet, and into that same stitch make a double crochet. And just continue this for the rest of this row until you have 2 stitches left. So skip a chain, and the next one make a single crochet and make a double crochet. Now skip a stitch, in the next one make a single crochet and a double crochet, all in 1 stitch. Skip a stitch, in the next one make a single crochet and make a double crochet. So I've got 2 stitches left now, and in the last stitch just make 1 single crochet. That's row 1. Now for row 2, chain 1 and turn your work, and chain 1 counts as a single crochet on top of that first stitch, and into the same first stitch make 1 double crochet. So you still have a cluster of single crochet, double crochet in 1 stitch. Now skip the next stitch, that's the double crochet from the previous row. At the end of the next stitch, that's a single crochet of the previous row. In that stitch over here, I'm gonna make a single crochet and also a double crochet, all in just 1 stitch. So there are still clusters of single crochet, double crochet in 1 stitch, except for the end. So skip a stitch, and into the next one make a single crochet and make a double crochet in that same stitch. Skip a stitch, next one make a single crochet and a double crochet. Now skip a stitch, in the next one make a single crochet and make a double crochet. Now I'm at the end, so pay attention. Skip a stitch, and then you have your chain 2 over here. So 1, 2, and into the second chain we're gonna make 1 single crochet. That's row 2. This is what we're gonna repeat, so I'm gonna show you one more time. Chain 1, turn your work. Chain 1 counts as a single crochet on top of that very first stitch, and into that first stitch we're gonna make 1 double crochet. Now skip a stitch, in the next one make a single crochet and also a double crochet. Skip a stitch, in the next one single crochet and double crochet. Skip a stitch, in the next one single crochet and double crochet. Skip a stitch, in the next one single crochet and double crochet. Now I'm at the end. I've got 1 stitch left over here, and I've got the chain 1 over here. So in a chain 1 we're gonna make 1 single crochet, and this is all you need to do to make the sand stitch. And I hope you like it, and I'm curious if you're gonna use this stitch to make, well, maybe a scarf, cardigan, or maybe a pillow cover, or maybe a blanket. I'm just curious what you're gonna make with this stitch. So I hope you liked it, and for now I just wish you happy crocheting and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.